We take you on an adventure through Rio, the most attractive tourist city in South America, a place that is a symbol of fun, games, great atmosphere. Today, the former capital of Brazil and the Portuguese Empire is the center of the most famous carnival in the world. Feel the atmosphere of rumba to get ready to enjoy the most beautiful part of Brazil. Rio de Janeiro is one of the most visited cities in South America. It is most known for carnival, samba, bossa nova, and balneario beaches such as Barra de Tijuca, Copacabana, Ipanema, and Leblon. It is also unique for its location, architecture, inhabitants, and lifestyle. Rio is home to the biggest urban forest in the world and the iconic Christ statue atop a mountain, Christ the Redeemer. Rio de Janeiro displays a unique blend of contrasts, a bustling metropolis amidst beautiful mountain ranges, rainforests, and wetlands, tremendous wealth amidst crushing poverty, old traditions juxtaposed with desires for modernity.